Good morning. My name is Roni. I am from Indonesia, student of Lincoln University. It is a great honor and pleasure to participate in this international conference and to have the opportunity to share my research with all of you today. The title of my article is The Effectiveness of Cognitive Strategy Instruction in Enhancing Cognitive Processing and Narrative Reading Comprehension, a Systematic Literature Review. Introduction. Reading comprehension is a fundamental component of language learning, particularly in engaging with narrative texts that require not only literal understanding but also higher order cognitive processing, such as inferencing, interpretation, and integration of information. The program for International Student Assessment PISA 2022 Result Volume 1 2023, which surveyed approximately 700,000 15-year-old students across 81 countries, reported an unprecedented decline in reading performance. Mean reading scores fell by 10 points related to the 2018 cycle, the equivalent of a half of year of learning, with decline observed across virtually all participating nations. In the contemporary educational context, learners are expected to demonstrate critical thinking and deep comprehension skill, with necessity instructional process that actively engage cognitive process rather than relying on passive reading practice. Reading comprehension is not unitary skill but complex, dynamic cognitive processing involving the simultaneous condition of multiple sub-processes including word recognition, syntactic parsing, semantic integration, inference generation, and metacognitive monitoring. Theoretical framework. There are 5 integrated theories underpin this study. First, cognitive learning theory. Cognitive theory posits that learning involves active mental process such as attention, information processing, storage, and retrieval. Cognitive strategy refer to the mental process learners use to manipulate incoming information such as repetition, elaboration, summarization, inferencing, and note-taking. This strategy enables learners to transform linguistic input into meaningful knowledge structures stored in long-term memory. Second, information processing theory. Information processing theory explains how information is received, processed, stored, and retrieved by the human cognitive system. The theory compares human cognition to computer system in which information passes through several stages including sensory memory, working memory, and long-term memory. Metacognitive theory. Metacognitive theory focuses on linear awareness and regulation of their own thinking process. This theory is highly relevant to the cognitive strategy instruction because successful strategy use often require planning, monitoring, and evaluating. 4. Self-regulated learning theory. Self-regulated learning theory emphasizes learners' ability to manage their own learning process, including cognitive, motivational, and behavioral aspects. In reading, self-regulated learners set goals, apply strategy, and reflect on their comprehension. CSI promotes self-regulated learning by training students to independently use cognitive strategy, enhancing both their autonomy and reading performance. 5. Narrative comprehension theory. Narrative comprehension theory specially explains how reader understand story-based text by constructing mental representation of event characters, goals, and causal relationship. Material and methods. Prisma 2022 Systematic Literature Review, Study Design, Systematic Literature Review by Prisma 2022 Framework, FICOS Eligibility Criteria, Narrative Synthesis Approach. Participant, student at primary, secondary, and tertiary level. Design, quantitative, qualitative, or mixed method. Database, Scopus, Web of Science was ERIC, Google Scholar, peer review, journal article in English only. Intervention, GSI as the main intervention assignment. Period, published 2022 until 2025 in English. Outcomes, cognitive processing or reading comprehension. Selected egg empirical student include. Prisma 2022 screening process. From 245 record to 18 selected study. Identification 245 record identified. Scopus was ERIC Google Scholar. Screening 888 records screening after removing 57 duplicates. Eligibility 46 full text assessed and included 18 studied, include 28 include methodological limitation. Characteristic of selected study. 18 empirical study analysis, research design and sample level, quasi-experiments 6 studies, experimental 5 studies, meta-analysis 3 studies, mixed method 3 studies, action research 1 studies. Intervention duration 4 to 16 weeks. GSI strategy used predicting, questioning, summarizing, and monitoring. Educational level primary, secondary, and tertiary. Publication period 2022 until 2025. Main finding, consistent positive effect across 18 studies, 92% metacognitive awareness. Students developed strong planning, monitoring, and evaluation of their own reading comprehension processes. 88% inferential reasoning, significant improvement in generating, bridging, and elaborated inferences during narrative reading. 45% narrative comprehension, better identification of story structure, plot, character, relationship, and implicit meaning. 80% self-regulated reading, greater linear autonomy, and reflective reading strategy applied independently. Factor affecting GSI effectiveness. Key instructional and linear related moderator. Explicit instruction. Step-by-step modeling of strategy significantly outperforms implicit instruction. Gradual internalization is essential for strategy transfer. Linear proficiency. Lower proficiency linear benefit more substantially from explicit GSI due to limited cognitive resource availability. Scaffolding and guidance. Performance scaffold practice enable learner to move from guided to independent strategy used during reading. And duration of intervention, longer intervention, 8 until 16 weeks, produce more sustained improvement versus short-term gain. Result and discussion. Interpreting pattern across 18 studies, GSI effectiveness confirmed. All reviewed study confirm GSI significantly enhanced cognitive processing and narrative comprehension, consistent with broader reading strategy research. Self-regulated learning link. GSI directly builds self-regulated reading habits. Trained learner becomes more autonomous, reflective, and metacognitively aware beyond test scores. Narrative complexity as mediator. The complexity of narrative structure, philo characters, implicit meaning, amplifies GSI benefit. Linear need explicit strategy support to navigate layer text. Differential gains by proficiency. Lower proficiency linear saw greatest relative gains, suggesting GSI is a valuable equity-oriented interpretation for diverse classroom. Evidence-based from 18 study. Conclusion. GSI highly effective in improving students' cognitive processing ability, including metacognitive awareness, inferencing, and information integration. Second, GSI significantly enhances narrative reading comprehension, story structure, main idea identification, and implicit meaning interpretation. 3. Explicit instruction with scaffolding produce the strongest learning outcomes, particularly for lower proficiency learner. And 4. GSI is a robust, theoretically grounds pedagogical approach recommended for language learning. Continue. Implication and recommendation for practice, policy, and future research. For educator, implementation spill GSI with modeling guidance practice and independent application, adapt strategies to proficiency, more scaffolding for lower level, use narrative text progressively for simple complex. For future research, conduct RCTs to stabilize stronger causal evidence for GSI effectiveness, explore GSI in digital and all assisted learning empowerment, and investigate GSI across different narrative, genre, and cultural contexts. For curriculum developer, embed GSI systematically across EVL or ESL curricula at all levels. Design instructional sequence with minimum 8 weeks for sustainable impact. Integrated metacognitive components into reading assessment frameworks. For policymakers, mandate GSA training in teacher professional development program. Incorporate GSA to international literacy strategy and found longitudinal study on sustainable GSE. Key reference. Thank you. Question and answer session.